If you own the Camp Chef or the Blackstone, you're going to want to check out this video before you buy this accessory. Hey, Casket here. What's going on? Welcome to the shop. I hope everyone's staying safe and healthy. Listen, if you own the Camp Chef griddle, the 4-burner, the FTG 600, or the Blackstone 4-burner, I think it's the 36-inch griddle, you're going to want to check this out. So today, we're going to be looking at the hinged cover. Now, this is a relatively new product in that they made 2 other covers prior. One was a stainless steel diamond plate cover. The other was a smooth stainless steel cover that was not really made for cooking, but it was designed to protect your griddle. And then when you're ready to use your griddle, you lift it up and it would clip on the back of your unit. So this particular accessory, this is a hinged cover. So not only will it protect your griddle, it will also act as an all-around warming cover to keep the heat in while you're cooking. So let's do an unboxing. We'll look at the quality. We'll look at the steps in assembly and take a real close look and see what it's all about. So this cover is, it online retails for $159.99, and it is also available from Backyard Life Gear. You can also find it on Amazon as well. So let's take a look. Okay, here it is. So this box, according to the label, weighs 19 pounds. Let's take a look and see what's inside. Got my handy dandy unboxing knife, as always. Okay, so it's packed well. We've got some styrofoam spacers here. We'll get rid of those. Here is the hardware items that's in some bubble wrap. And here is a card. This card was sent from Backyard Life Gear, which is a family-owned business. And it kind of gives a rundown of their products. Actually, you can see the diamond plate cover right there and the stainless steel cover right there. So this is the new hinged item, which actually isn't in their lineup here. Here's the bottle tray. And it tells a little bit about the company and the family that owns Backyard Life Gear. So also want to make sure you understand they are not paying me. They did not send this to me for free. I bought this with my own money, and I did it to review it and get the information out for you all. I'm not endorsing the product. I'm just reviewing it and taking a look to see what we got here. Let's move the hardware out of the way. And we'll take a closer look at the actual unit. It's not too flimsy. It's probably adequate for the application it's going to be used for. It doesn't have an insulated inner cover, which would have been nice, but it's not insulated at all. It has a nice powder coat finish to it, and it looks like it probably will be durable. Only time will tell. So let's take a look at the instructions and assemble this thing. So we have a piece of channel, bracket, a handle, and this looks like the 2 mounting hinges that's going to actually go on the side of the unit. And we have 3 or 4 screws and nuts and washers. The instructions are in color, and we'll take a look at it. It does go step by step, and so let's start assembling. Okay, step 1, assemble the handle. So you're going to use the handle piece, the flange, and 2 short screws. The flange is going to want to be faced down. Now I have this upside down on its back, so this flange part has to be below the screws, and I think the edge of the griddle is going to end up resting on this piece right here. So don't assemble it that way, assemble it this way. Okay, the handle is assembled, and you can see here, there is the bottom of the flange, and there is the handle. Okay, next step is the mounting brackets. This is the left and right mounting brackets. So the left mounting bracket, which is this one here, they want you to take a long screw and screw it in just so it's flush with this flange right here, just like that. Okay? The other mounting bracket, they want you to put the long screw in all the way in. Just like that. Okay, next, they want you to remove the shelf. And this is the side the propane tank is on. And then they want you to remove the rear shelf bracket, which is this one right here. So you're going to take the right mounting bracket and the shelf mount. Here's the right bracket. Remember, this screw was turned all the way out as far as it would go. Okay, side note, I incorrectly installed this hinge, and I don't want you to make the same mistake if you own the Camp Chef. I should have used the 2 empty holes there to the right. Here's a better illustration. So I'm going to correct this mistake, and then we're going to move forward to the installation of the hood. All right, after fooling around for a few minutes, I got this thing properly installed. I have to tell you, the instructions to me weren't as clear as I thought they should be, but this long slotted hole, at least for the Camp Chef, the FTG 600, you will not be using this slot. You'll be using the 2 holes behind that slot. Okay, so I have a washer and an acorn nut, a set over here and a set over here. We're gonna put the hood on. We're gonna put the hood over this screw here sticking out, and then we're going to get a screwdriver ready so that we can screw this in to the other side of the hood, and then put the washer and the acorn nut on that end. So we'll put that in first. Then we're going to screw this one in all the way. We'll add the washer and the acorn nut on the end there. And then we'll do the same over here. Okay. So it looks like we need to do a little adjusting. What you're going to do to get the front to line up properly, you're going to have to adjust this forward and backward so that you can line up that bracket under the handle with the top of your griddle. So you're going to adjust it this way. Don't use a slotted. Use the 2 holes behind that towards the edge. Once you get it where you want it, then you're going to tighten it up. Okay, there it is. We got it. I fold those shelves up and down quite frequently, so it's important to me that they function smoothly, and they do. Okay, after fooling around a little bit with the brackets, we got it installed. So here it is. I'll just move out of the way a little bit. It's when it's in the down position, it's pretty solid. It feels very solid. When it's in the upright position, you will see it's a little wanky. It does have some play to it. Maybe 160 plus shipping was a little high. Maybe 120, maybe somewhere around there might have been a little bit more reasonable. I wouldn't have not ordered it because of that, but I think it's an important asset to have for this. So that's in the complete upright position there. And again, that's the closed position. The shelves are fully functional, which is important because I use those quite a bit. So they work fine. I need to point out one other thing. If you notice, this grill here is the hinge is mounted quite a ways away from the actual griddle. Same with over here. So you're wondering, can you remove the griddle with the hood in place? And the answer to that is, yes, you can. So the griddle can actually be removed and replaced without interfering with the hood. There it is, the hinged hood for the Camp Chef and the Blackstone griddle. So my score on the hinged hood for the Camp Chef and Blackstone griddle, thumbs up. I'd go for it. Hey, if this video was helpful, please hit the like button, and I'd really appreciate it if you'd subscribe to my channel. Hit that little red button down there in the lower right corner of your screen. Make sure you leave a comment. Love to hear what you're thinking. If you didn't like the video, hit the thumbs down button. Hit that sucker twice. Really drive the point home. I'd appreciate it. Thanks, everybody. Y'all stay safe. See you next time.